install your new solar thermal switch. First, you need to remove the fan blade. All the parts necessary are in this packet. We have a self-tapping screw, Allen wrench, zip tie, wire clip, and a thermal switch itself. Step 1, take your Allen wrench, remove the fan blade, set screw, turn it counterclockwise to loosen the set screw. Remove the fan blade, being careful not to damage it, so lay it on a flat surface. Step number 2, remove the red wire, the red lead from the motor, which would be on your right hand side. Remove it by tugging gently on a connector. Do not pull by the wire, pull by the connector only. Remove it. Take your thermal switch. The black wire from the thermal switch has a male connector. The connector that we pulled off the motor is a female connector. Plug the black wire into the red wire that we pulled off the motor. Take the the red wire from the connector, plug it back onto the motor. Take your wire, your excess wire, fold it gently, neatly. Take your zip tie. Let me zoom in on that. Trim the excess zip tie. Discard. Next, take your wire clip. There is a pre-drilled hole in the flashing. Line the clip up with the hole. Tug the wire neatly so it doesn't hit the fan blade. Take your screw. And drive the screw in. Take your fan blade and reattach the fan blade. The shaft on the motor has a flat spot. Make sure that's where the set screw goes. Complete.